Now, when you go to handle the knife, if say, Charlie, you want the knife? Okay. So when you go to give him the knife, you don't hand it to him like this. You hand it to him holding on to the spine of the knife, and you hand it to them. And when they go to take it, you do not release it until after they have said thank you. Now, some chefs want you to say, I have it, thank you, but you do not release it until you hear thank you. If you don't have a good hold of it and they don't have a good hold of it, it'll fall to the ground. And believe it or not, even though this handle looks heavier than the tip, aerodynamically, it will fall like this. And if you have shoes on, hopefully, or still tipped shoes, that might prevent you from getting hurt. But regular shoes, it will go right through your shoe and do damage to your foot, or maybe even cut a toe off. So you want to be really careful when you're handling the knife to somebody else. Also, if you're going to carry it through the kitchen, we don't carry it like this. We carry it with the blade behind us and to the side of our body. Actually, down, you hold it down here on your leg. And that's how you carry it through the kitchen, because if you are carrying it like this or some other way, you might hit into somebody. Even though you might say corner, or I'm coming behind you, or anything else to get them out of the way, they may still get in. You still can get in trouble with this knife. So you always carry it down at the side, you have the knife like this, and you're ready to cut.